if you decide that you want to try to do some investments in the forex broker business, what you should do. Number one, to learn some basic about forex. And by the way, it's very easy. You just go to the YouTube, what does it mean forex, how it's working, how to start. You can find there a lot of very nice videos. So just maybe 2 hours of your life, it will be more than enough to understand the basic things in the forex trading. Number two, this is choosing right, proper and highly regulated forex broker company. Nowadays in this business, a lot of the scammers, yes, but a lot of the good, high quality companies. You can do the research by yourself, or in the easiest way, you can message to me and I'll find for you really big and high quality forex broker company. Number three, this is the deposit. It's also easy because right now you can pay through the crypto card, bank transfer, anything. So you can really find the company, easy deposit, easy to withdraw. Number four is becoming more interesting. This is the strategy. How to choose the proper investment strategy. Number five, this is the risk or money management, how to manage your investments. And the last one, this is the adjustment. It's which kind of way you need to do some changes in your investment portfolio. So in today's video, I will show you some short examples how to build your trading portfolio and how to work with the numbers. Because if we will go to some reports, you can see there a lot of the numbers. I will show you, by the way, the examples. But you need to pay attention on just three things. What's the total net profit? What is the maximum risk? And number three, how to calculate the recovery factor. This is it. So let's go to my laptop and I will show you some interesting examples how you can start doing by yourself easily and how you can make money. This is the most important why people coming here. First of all, forex, it's everything about trading. So we need to find some methods, people of the program that will trade instead of us, because we doesn't have a time to trade, we just want to invest our own money. So for the trading strategy, my personal opinion recommendation, this is the algo trading, because all our calculation how we'll do the investment based on the previous numbers, because just previous numbers, some back test statistic on the live account will give us chance to build some expectation what kind of profit and maximum risk we can expect in the future. If you are talking about investment strategy, our main investment strategy will be diversification, because I'm in this trading business for almost 12 years, and if you will ask me what is the best program, the best trading strategy, or the best thing that I found and I understood during all my 12 years of experience, I will tell you diversification. I saw so many good products from the beginning, but they were failing because lack of diversification. So our trading strategy will be searching algo trading products. So this is like program that will trade instead of you based on some algorithm. And number two, our investment strategy will be diversification, as maximum as it possible to diversify our portfolio. But let's go to my laptop and I will show you exactly example based on the two different options. Before starting our conversation about like trading investment strategy, I want to give you the explanation that we will pay attention just for the three criteria. You should pay the attention for it. Number one, this is the total net profit equal to reward that we are expecting to get. Number two, this is the maximum drawdown equal to the maximum risk. Guys, you need to understand one point. There is no investment without the risk. And if someone is telling you that I have risk-free investment, most probably he is the scammer. So you need to understand, when you investing your money, there is some risk of losing the part of your capital. But if we are investing, we need to understand what's our reward, and this risk-reward ratio should be every time positive. So risk-reward ratio, this is another factor what we will pay attention on. It's calling recovery factor. Recovery factor, this is not just about the risk-reward ratio. This is also about how quickly your trading strategy or your investment strategy will be able to recover from the risk. So that's why let me show you the example. So guys, in today's video I want to show you two different strategy of risk management. So the same investment into the algo trading, but one will be investment through my personal bot and another investment will be through MQL5 website. So let me show you first option. Let's say we have a bot, we did the back test, just the back test. So this is statistic based in the history. Let's say pound dollar from 2022 to 2024, and we can see some results here. You see, this is the short report, and we can make like this big report. You see, there are so many numbers and how to understand how it's working. Of course, it's really difficult. Let's say you don't have experience in this kind of field, but we will check what we should check. This is the total net profit, $802, maximum risk $116, and let's say recovery factor here it's 6.88. I want to show you the method calling diversification by instrument. So the same trading strategy but different instruments. I put a calculation. Let's say we are building portfolio based on the 10 trading instrument, including major currency pair, gold, Dow Jones, and the Bitcoin. I was trying to put like random statistic of the back test because I want to include and to show you not just positive results, but what happened if we in some options, we having recovery factor just 2.28. Let's say total net profit for 2 previous years was $1,055, and the maximum drawdown was $414. I was putting like starting investment for all sets in the back test $1,000 just. So let's say here in 2 years it's made like 200%, but drawdown was almost 45%. And of course we had some very nice options like that. It's Dow Jones profit was the same 100%, but just with 18% of risk. You can ask me, Alex, we can put just one instrument and this is it, and forget to choose this the best one, you see. But I'm highly recommend you to use the diversification. Why? Because let's say we have here this chart, I think it's dollar Canadian. You see that for the last, let's say 3 months start trading in minus, but because I put here the equities, you see, like a first chart, I want to show some of them equities is very smooth. It means how we was making profit, but some of them it's really bad, like here. So it start making minus for us. But because we have a diversified portfolio, this black equity line, it shows us how it's smooth. Guys, when we come to the market, our main target to make, first of all, consistent profit and with the minimum risk, maximize our profit with the minimum risk. And I think we can do this with the diversification. So equities, it's different, but when we put all of them together in one portfolio, our equity of making profit was lower, of course, that these instruments with the maximum profit, but it was smooth. This is what we want from our investment: smooth income and profit every day. What we are talking about this case, let's say if we want to invest in this example, of course, some of the assets I will not choose for my live trading. I will search for the better option, but let's take that we will invest in this portfolio. So in the previous 2 years we had the result with the maximum drawdown 1,855. When I'm doing the calculation of the maximum risk, I'm trying to calculate the worst scenario. What does mean worst? If the maximum risk happened with all currency pairs in one moment. In theory it's possible, but in reality it's impossible. So it's maybe will be just 30% from this amount. What is my recommendation? Let's say I know here the maximum drawdown it's happening in the same time with 1,855. You can easily invest $2,000 with the same trading volume. Our maximum risk will be not more than 50. Of course, we can go to, let's say, to deposit $10,000 with 10% of the risk, but it will be the same $1,000. Listen, guys, risk you should calculate in dollars, profit in percentages. So for me, it's the same. If you invest $10,000 with $1,000 risk or $2,000 with $1,000 risk, risk is the same trading volume in investment calculating from the risk. But let's say if we will invest just $2,000 with the maximum risk of, let's say, $1,000, we can expect in the next let's say 2 years to generate a profit around 400%. Why not? Even let's say let's calculate worst scenario. You know, we can make an expectation to get a profit in the next 1 or 2 years around 200%. Why not? I think it's a good option. So this is one option. Diversification by instrument. The same trading strategy but different instruments. Let me show you another option by diversification by strategy. So let me show you another example based on MQL5 website. The trading strategy is the same. We are investing in trading bots. You see, first example, $99. The second point, algo trading 99%, and the third one also 99%. So 3 of the signal is the same algo trading. This is the same bot, but here we will check live account, 3 totally different strategies. We are investing money in 3 different bots, and we are diversifying our portfolio based on the trading strategy, because different strategy. Let me go to show you exactly just 3 numbers. If we're going here, check how many numbers here. We'll go to statistic, check how many numbers. So normal regular investment, if you want to invest money, for him it will be very difficult to understand exactly what does it mean. Let me simplify for you these kind of things, and we are checking just 3 things. So first of all, profit $2,000, the second signal $1,200, and the third one $15,000. But no need to check just the profit, because the drawdown here $2,200 and here just 200 and 415. So it means it's not proper type of investment, especially because of the third signal. Why? Because it will take biggest weight of our trading account. But what we can do, let's open this signal. By the way, all of them, it's really nice, and if you want to subscribe for it, you can easily message me and I will help you to do this kind of portfolio. But let's check it here. Let's go to the trading history. Wow, we can see here that this guy trading with the big volume. But what we can do, we can start copying his signal but divide his trading volume in 10. What it will give us, if we will divide his trading volume in 10, our maximum drawdown will be just $220. So it will be the same strategy. We can invest just $2,000 with the maximum risk of $1,000, you know, maximum, even the worst, because in MQL5 website I'm really recommending to calculate the worst scenario, and the average recovery factor in this stuff will be even higher in comparison to my bot that I show you right now. So it will be almost like average will be 5.65, you know, and here is results from the live account. Here this guy trading for almost 1 year in plus. Here of course it's more from 2022. This person trading inconsistent plus for 2 years, and here is also almost 1 year. You need to understand statistic of the back test, you should pay attention minimum 2 years, and from the real account like in MQL5 website, better to it's more than enough to make our conclusions based on 1 year. So in let's say we are calculating the worst scenario. In 2 years we can expecting to get a profit around 550% by investing in this kind of portfolio in MQL5 website. So guys, I think it's more than enough, you know, and it's so simple and clear when you starting to calculate everything in a simple way based on the 3 criteria. This is number 1, net profit equal to reward. Number 2, maximum risk equal to the maximum drawdown, you know, and number 3, this is recovery factor, when it will give us understanding how much money we can make, and if there will be the minus, how fast we'll be able to recover from this minus. This is it guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you open for yourself something new. If you want really to do some smart investment in financial market, message me anytime and I will help you to build a profitable portfolio. Thank you for watching this video and see you in our next ones.